this match. It's the chair on coming after you. This is tennis
Yep, that's what he did with it, huh? He brought it down in his mouth. Now he's sitting on your chair. Jumped out of your chair, didn't he?
6 against 6 soccer match in ankle deep water. Naturally. A 110-year tradition. They get a lot of rain there, so this is no problem finding the water. Columbus versus Seattle, MLS.
Good sitting.
That's a problem. Columbus, major defensive issues, and yes, they lost this game 6-2.
Where you going? Go on.
We got a squirrel on the field. You're a big fan of squirrels, as I well know. I hate you right now. And the squirrel's doing 360s. The squirrel's going crazy.
I could have handled this squirrel happening.
Here comes the box. We got the squirrel in the box.
That's scary.
Good sitting.
Stanley Cup's in New Zealand. Look at this. It falls off the table. Michael Ryder brought it to his hometown, set it on the table, and the table collapsed. So it wasn't Michael's fault.
It's the table's fault.
Dad, look at that.
Oh,
Disaster.
Lex, what are you doing?
Uh-oh, what's Lex saying? Oh, Lex, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Fletcher wants to see what Lex is doing too. That's right, pet him. Very nice. Good pet.